practice, another beautiful day for Kapampangan basketball as we bring you the continuing coverage of our crossover knockout quarterfinals round 2 of your 2023 to 2024 Delta Cup Intermunicipalities and Cities Basketball Tournament. Coming to you live inside the Brenzigao Convention Center in the city of San Fernando, Pampanga, the home of Sinag Liga Asia, born 2001 inaugural season champions, the Pampanga Delta, as Jason Ibay, one of the best defenders and the best blockers, Minalin All-Star has, at makakatapat niya dito, itong si Paula Quindanum, a player for Angeles City Red Warriors and Team B for Colegio de San Juan de Latran. Our game at hand, Angeles City Red Warriors kontra Minalin All-Stars. Isang magandang hapon po sa inyo mga kabalan. Penelope Wilhelmina still alongside with the Chief, Enzo Galarosa.
Thank you for acknowledging me, Ben. Finally nagawa ko yun. But very interesting game tayo dito between one of the hottest teams in the entire league, ang Angeles City Red Warriors versus etong Minalin All-Stars, one of the two teams na pumasok na lower seed teams na nakapasok dito. Mamaya makikita natin yung pangalawa. But Minalin All-Stars coming off two gracious victories against United Tomasian Ballers. Pwede niyo pong matutukan at itong laro sa Facebook page at Pampanga PIO, di ba, Ped?
And of course, meron din tayong YouTube channel at Pampanga_PIO. And of course, the broadcast partner of Delta Cup 2024 sa YouTube channel ng Sinag Liga TV. But before anything else, Enzo, let's take a look back here kung asaan na ba itong dalawang kupunan na to, Angeles City Red Warriors and Minalin All-Stars dito sa ating tournament.
Yes, as we can see, ito nga ang ating tournament format dito. Quarterfinals 1, it was 1 versus 8, 2 versus 7, 3 versus 6, 4 versus 5, kung saan ang number 1 versus number 1 to number 4 nagkaroon ng twice to beat advantage. And eto Minalin All-Stars, disadvantage ang meron sila. And na-overcome nila yan, kaya sila nakapasok dito sa knockout quarterfinals natin. Quarterfinals 2 kung saan 1 versus 4, 2 versus 3 ang format natin. Winner goes to the semifinals round kung saan nga kanina nakapag-qualify na ang Level Up Lubao. Aantayin na lang nila yung tatlong makakalaban nila sa semifinals round kung saan single round robin na mangyayari.
And of course, let's take a look to our game story para dito sa laban ng Angeles City Red Warriors kontra Minalin All-Stars. Aiming high, Enzo.
Yes, aim high, aim for the stars, shoot for the stars. Angeles City Red Warriors, the number 1 seed team sa bracket A, going up against itong Minalin All-Stars. If you're Minalin, nagawa nyo na to eh. You've been in a do-or-die situation already twice nung quarterfinals round 1. You can do it again, and malaking isda ang mahuhuli nyo dahil nga itong number 1 seed team ang makatatapat nyo, itong Angeles City Red Warriors who are on a tear recently.
Coming up is the battle between Angeles City Red Warriors kontra Minalin All-Stars. And to introduce our starting lineup, I'm turning you over to our arena announcer, Jello Del Rosario.
Good afternoon mga kabalin! This is the 2024 Delta Cup Intermunicipalities and Cities Basketball Tournament. We are live here inside the Brenzigao Convention Center in the beautiful city of San Fernando, Pampanga. This is brought to you by our Governor, Dennis Delta Pineda. You can catch the game live on Pampanga PIO FB page and YouTube channel. And you can also catch the game live on our broadcast partner at Sinag Liga TV YouTube channel. This is the second game of our quadruple header quarterfinals between Angeles City Red Warriors and Minalin All-Star. Now let's meet the starters for Angeles City Red Warriors. Guard number 18, Jensen Henson. Another guard number 19, John De Guzman. Forward number 21, John Martinez. Another forward number 31, Sam De Jesus. And center number 3, Pao Quindano. Assistant coaches, Javier Cruz, Eric Malyari, Earl Morales, team manager Bao Peña, headed by Coach John Ocampo. Now let's call out the protagonist team. of Minalin All-Star. Guard number 6, PJ Parungaw. Guard number 17, Paulo Garcia. Center number 81, Jason Nibay. Forward number 12, Heron Bonifacio. And another forward number 10, Kenneth Pamulagan. Assistant coaches, Limuel Serrano, Jose Jun Canlas, Lloyd Axina. Team manager, Bon Manalili. Headed by Coach Bernard Valencia. Our officials for the days are Rujip Banaya. Umpire 1, Michael Galutera. Umpire 2, Dennis Escaros.
The starters for Angeles City Red Warriors, Jensen Henson, John de Guzman, Paula Quindanum, Sam De Jesus, and John Martinez. At para sa panig ng Minalin All-Stars, PJ Parungao, Paulo Garcia, Jason Ibay, Heron Bonifacio, and Kenneth Pamulagan. Penelope Wilhelmina alongside with Enzo Galarosa and MJ Raimundo on the sidelines para sa ating second game of our knockout game ng ating quarterfinals round 2.
Ganda matchup to yun sa dalawang magja-jump ball. Two of the best shot blockers in the entire league, di ba? Paula Quindanum and Jason Ibay. And tingnan mo, gano'n ka match. Tapik nila para yung bola sa jump ball, lumabas yung bola. Yung bola na nag-decide, ulitin nyo na lang.
Same question from the first game natin, Enzo. Who will remain to be the toughest team or to be the toughest players? Jason Ibay or Paula Quindanum? There's a whistle. So early, there's 6 seconds of our ball game against John de Guzman.
Ang galing ng midcourt si Ibay, di ba? Siya yung jump ball, nandun na sa ilalim ng rim.
Nagulat nga ako siya na pala yung nasa ilalim.
Teleport. Bilis na itong batan to, na impressive sobra yung laro ni Jason Ibay.
Kenneth Pamulaga. PJ Parungao rather. Back to Pamulagan, back to Ibay. Ibay to Parungao.
5 seconds on the clock.
Parungao to Pamulagan.
Grabe, great ball movement under pressure by Minalin, and they start off the same way they started that do-or-die game against the United Tomasian Ballers. A three-pointer from none other than Kenneth Pamulagan.
And this is the same starters for head coach Bernard Valencia.
Yes, oo.
And look at the crowd in front of us
Kaya
for
nga,
Minalin All-Stars. Kulang-kula tayo dito inside the Brenziga.
Nagkarga talaga tong Minalin, di ba?
Paulo Garcia, nice pass to Jason Ibay. To Kenneth Pamulagan once again. That's too strong.
Good
But Paulo
defense.
Garcia was there.
Oo.
Ay, rather.
Yes,
It's not
Paulo.
Paulo Garcia, it's Heron Bonifacio.
Heron Bonifacio.
Magkasabi ko sa'yo eh.
Magka-ano kasi
Yung
magkasing
likod.
katawan eh.
Oo.
Pero good defense right there by Paula Quindanum. The discipline, putting his hands up, not fouling, challenging the shot. It's gonna be a difficult task para dito sa Minalin All-Stars to get to the middle with Paula Quindanum in front.
As Heron Bonifacio. What a
Wow!
move from
Wow!
Heron Bonifacio, sliding through the center. Makes it basket.
And who was defending him? Paula Quindanum pa, di ba? Difficult shot there from Heron Bonifacio. A motivated Minalin. Oh, look at that block by Ibay.
There was a whistle earlier
Oo.
before that block.
Turnover agad, nakaapak si De Guzman sa labas. Pero di ba, huli pa rin ni Ibay yun.
Great D from the side of Minalin All-Star, especially. There was a whistle. It was almost a good rejection for Paula Quindanum.
Nasama kasi braso eh. But great start right here for Minalin All-Stars. And one thing, this is a motivated Minalin All-Stars. You defeat a top seed team twice in back-to-back games to qualify dito. Momentum is on your side and yung confidence nila is sky high. Kaya nga perfect na perfect yung game story natin eh. Aim high as, eto, Naku comes in and the
Estalilla.
Heartbreak Kid.
So his first free throw is good for Kenneth Pamulagan. 6-0 run. 8 minutes. Almost 2 minutes has passed by our first quarter. And it's already a 6-0 run.
Pinangangagaw pa na headset dito.
Laging pag dumadaan yung mga tao dito, yung mga coaches, nanghuhugot sila ng headset.
Oh, si Coach Aisels, ngayon si Coach Leo, di ba? Namimiss ata niya mag-analyst kasi, di ba? Bago siya
Sabagay.
maging commissioner and COO, di ba? Long-time analyst siya after becoming a player and coach, di ba? There's a traveling violation whistled here on Naku.
7 minutes and 46 seconds remaining. 6-0 run.
Wala pa ring puntos dito ang Angeles City as good steal by Lakindanum.
Estelilia knocks his first basket of the ball game.
I cannot wait to see if magkakampi pa tong dalawa na to sa Luid 1 Kapampangan on 17th, di ba? On the 17th.
Very exciting as we will.
Wow!
As that three-point shot is very exciting for Kenneth Pamulagan.
I cannot wait to see if Kenneth Pamulagan sa team sa Sinag Liga Asia. Kita mo ba naman back-to-back basket na para sa kanya?
And that was too strong for Jo Marinaku. If I am not lost in counting, already 5 points for Kenneth Pamulagan.
5 or 6 or 7?
7 rather.
Parang ganun, di ba? Sa dami na agad niyang puntos, di ba?
It's already 7.
7
2
na ba?
from the three-point shot and 1
Tas
from the
free throw
from the
line.
end one
Tama,
play.
tama.
Because the other 2 came from Heron Bonifacio.
Napagkakamali na ako, hindi marunong sa mat eh. Huwag mo na i-expose, pero ano ba yan? Paghalata hindi ako marunong mag-mat eh.
6 minutes and 28 seconds remaining. PJ Parungaw
Layo!
from way downtown, too short. Balik ang bola sa Angeles City Red Warriors. Martinez, too strong.
Mamadali masyado tong Angeles
Diretso
City.
sa kamay.
Grabe. Grabe naman tong Jason Ibay na to.
Jason Ibay underneath, going to the center for that putback.
Again, Ibay na naman. Sa ulit
John
nakatapik.
Martinez for 3.
Bang.
There you have it for John Martinez. 11-5, a 6-point lead for Minalin All-Stars.
Looking back at that shot ni Martinez, ha, wide open siya doon.
Take a look back. Direk ako, tinatawanan ako ni Enzo.
Hindi, ang ganda ng tira ni Martinez
John
doon eh.
Martinez from way downtown. 6 minutes and 10 seconds remaining. It's Paolo Garcia. Jo Marinaco on the rebound.
Don't give this kid. Eh, sabihin ko, harangan nyo na agad dapat siya.
Paolo Garcia to Heron Bonifacio.
Look at Lakindanum dribbling the ball down. The big man showing some handles there. Itong si Paolo Lakindanum.
You really need to take charge for Angeles City Red Warriors early at this ball game, no? Even though it's still a 6-point lead advantage.
Yes, and we talked about it naman. Paolo Lakindanum, this is his coming out party, di ba? You showcased yourself 2 years ago for Luid 1. Na-recruit ka ng Letran. Nasa Team B ka. You want to play for the Team A and play in the NCAA? Show out dito pa lang sa mga kapwa Kapampangan mo. You'll get your confidence going. And di ba, yun nga, pagdating mo ng NCAA, you have all the confidence in the world. It's good basket there by John Martinez na naman. 5 points now for John.
5 minutes and 37 seconds remaining. 11-7. Kenneth
Wow!
Pamulagan.
Oh, sayang!
There's a whistle once again.
And they better calm themselves down, the entire bench of Angeles City.
They're
They
saying,
might get a tech. They might get a tech here or a warning. Baka warning lang muna ibibigay sa kanila for improper bench decorum, I believe.
as we take a look, Kenneth Pamulagan.
Referee saw contact there. The foul is gonna be whistled on Lakindanum. Pangalawan niya na yan in this first quarter alone.
5 minutes and 32 seconds remaining. It's too early for Pau to get his second personal fouls. Now let's turn it over to our courtside reporter, MJ Raimundo, para sa kanyang report on both head coaches for Angeles City Red Warriors and Minalin All-Stars. MJ, take it away.
Thank you, Pen. More than effort, sacrifices will also be their strongest ally for today's game. Head coach Bernard Valencia of Minalin All-Stars believed in the manifestation of winning after all the sacrifices and hardships they put in their previous games. As head coach, Valencia emphasizes the preparations they did for today's game, considering the strength of their opponent. While on the side of Team Angeles, they will give their big shots and 100% as per head coach John Ocampo. He also point out the trust inside the court. Magtiwala ka sa sarili mo at magtiwala ka sa teammates mo. Let's find out who will notch up in today's game. Back to you, Pen and Enzo.
Thank you so much, MJ. Enzo, one thing from MJ's report, effort eh. And the 100% effort for Manalin All-Stars and 100% for Coach John Ocampo.
Yes. And para nga dito kay Coach John Ocampo last game, dikit na nangyari sa laro nila against Santa Rita, di ba? So, yung kumpiyansa nila medyo natamaan ng konti kasi as the number 1 team against the number 8, you're expected to dominate that matchup. Pero hindi nangyari yun. Napahirapan sila na Santa Rita in that game. Dito naman for Manalin, like I said, sky high ang kanilang confidence dahil nga they knocked off a top-seeded team and they want to knock off probably the biggest fish they can sa ngayon kasi nandun pa sa kabila yung Florida Blanca, di
Of
ba?
course, they first, ito ang unang matchup nila. First is their crossover. So, they're defeating, or they were willing to defeat the number 1 team in the bracket.
Angeles City, bracket A.
Bracket A, Angeles City Red Warriors with only 8 wins and 1 loss ending.
Madali lang tandaan na ni number 1 team sa dalawang bracket eh.
Angeles City Red Warriors.
Kasi bracket A, Angeles. Bracket B,
Florida Blanca.
Blanca. Di ba, B?
Galing mo dun.
Joke lang. Base result. Di ba pala tandaan lang, di ba? Pero kung if it helps, di ba, do it, di ba?
Pero tama nga,
Oh,
tama.
diba?
May point ka naman doon.
If it helps, di ba?
Beautiful faces inside the Brenzy Gal Convention Center. I'm seeing them at the back of the Angeles City Red Warriors.
Good D by Naku. Good pass din.
We're talking about that guy, Joe Marinaco, earlier.
Yes.
He has been so quiet, but then kapag binasa sa kanya ang ball or whenever he carries the ball, it's a sure assist
Oo.
or either a sure basket for Joe
Sabi ko nga,
Marinaco.
parang lakas 40 yung laruan nito ni Naku kasi hindi siya ganun kabilisan, dinadaan niya sa utak. Tapos, he finds his spots, hindi niya pinipilit yung opensa niya. Parang, he reminds me of Dennis Concha of Malolos Republic a lot. Or, sige, pro player na, Jomari Santos of Batang Kangalu ang naaalala ko. So, diba, ganyan. Jomari Naku, smooth operator kung pwedeng sabihin, diba? I'm not talking about the song.
And it's 12-11, just a 1-point lead for Manalin All-Stars. From the 7-point biggest lead of the ball game, it's now down to 1. Kenneth Pamalaga.
Good block. And look at that. The rare times that Joe Marinaco will show emotion.
He's collecting the much-needed confidence na kakailanganan niya for the whole duration of this ball game.
Narinig mo, nagbubigla yung Manalin crowd, di ba? Right after he screamed at Pamulagan.
Parungaw.
Wow! Assist ba yun?
Balik pa din kay Paolo Garcia ang bola.
An easy layup to.
Sir Jacob Baloria.
Instant offense si Jacob Baloria. Kakapasok pa lang, 2 points agad. At lamang na agad dito ang Angeles City, Penelope.
5 straight points for Angeles City Red Warriors. 3 minutes and 32 seconds as we take a look back here. They're clearly asking here for something. 3 minutes and 32 seconds remaining. Timeout on the floor. 1-point lead for Angeles City Red Warriors. 13-12.
Tagisan ng lakas, labanan ng bilis, gamitan ng estratehiya. Kilalanin ang mga pambato ng siyudad ng Pampanga Delta Cup 2024. Intermunicipality and City Tournament hatid sa inyo ng Sinag Liga Asya. Sinag Liga Asya. Mekos na yan!
Going back to the 3 minutes and 32 seconds. As we take a look back here, Jacob Baloria.
Oh, he was talking to Parungao
That
and
is why.
Garcia. That's why he was given a technical foul. I thought it was just a warning, pero dahil nga hindi niya tinigilan binigyan agad ng referees ng technical again. Emotions are high in this ball game. And at the same time, di ba, ayaw mo magkapikunan yung mga players ngayon, di ba?
PJ Parungao makes this ball game tied at 13 and then sideline inbound. Bonus possession for Manalin All-Stars. 3 minutes and 32 seconds remaining. A baseline inbound rather. Parungao to Garcia. Back to Ibay. Back to PJ Parungao.
Look at the 2-3 zone defense dito ng Angeles City. And look at the passing from Manalin.
Great D from Jo Marinaku. Pero nakuha ni Kenneth Pamulagan ng bola against Kid Estalilia. Pamulagan, in and out. There's a rebound.
Nandun na yung katawan ni Valoria sa labas. And he looked at himself kung nasan ba siya. Yung pagtingin niya sa baba, nakita niya nasa baseline na pala siya. Good call by our officials. And look at the crowd, di ba? Nakikipag-asaran talaga yung crowd dito na minalin with some of the Angeles City players.
Yung unahan lang natin yung puno, pati pala sa likod natin.
Ang daming beses na nangyari yan, di ba? Pag talikod natin,
Pag talikod natin, dami na palang
mga tao
tao.
na pala. Actually, mas marami pa nga ata tao sa likod natin kaysa sa likod ng bench, eh. Mga mahihain sa camera.
Alam nila matututuhan sila.
Oh, dami nila, eh.
PJ Parungao. Ibay. Pamulagan with a jumper. Too strong.
He had to fire that. 2 seconds na lang yung nasa shot clock nila.
Valoria.
Ito na naman si Pamulagan. Great defense right there. Good defense from Angeles City on the transition.
Paul Lagman. To Estalilia. And Estalilia knocks it out.
Look at that defense again from Angeles City.
2 missed straight possessions for Minalan All-Stars. Jacob Valoria to Kid Estalilia.
Lilipad to.
Estalilia will drive. No! Block from PJ Parungao. Kenneth Pamulagan. Alley-oops play.
On the ground. Foul on the ground.
It's Jacob Valoria.
Si Valoria talagang target ng Minalin crowd. Every time magrereklamo siya, he'll do something. Tutumba, makaka-steal. Magre-react yung crowd ng Minalin. Let's take a look at this right here. Oh yun, napatukan niya si Ibay. Dahil penalty na, 2 free throws though for Jason Ibay.
1 minute and 58 seconds remaining.
NJ Sagmit, pinasok na dito ni Coach Bernard. We have talked about lots of times, Pen, di
Sagmit
ba?
has been so quiet on their game against...
Nung knockout game nila against United Tomasian
Yes.
Ballers, di ba? Pero depensa niya talaga yung talagang mahusay siya dyan sa defense, eh. Oh, look at that. Offensive rebound right there para dito kay Nixon Manabat. Yan na yung Manabat Sagmit bench. Production is... Grabe naman yung bali na yun ni Parungao.
Look at that defense created by NJ Sagmit and Nixon Manabat. Nakadrive doon ng libre si PJ Parungao eh.
Parang bumukas eh. Bumukas yung gitna for Parungao. And PJ can score in bunches.
Jo Marinaku for 3. Rebound by Sagmit. Back to Parungao. Parungao balik kay Sagmit ang bola. Nixon Manaba. Ibay rather.
Gumawa ng
Take a look
paraan.
out there. With 3 men defending him. He finds a way to escape those 3. Oh, what a pass from Jo Marinaku to Paul Lagman. Nagpapalitan ng parehong kupunan. 57 seconds remaining. We're tied at 17. Parungao, balik kay Pamulagan ng bola. 3-point shot from Sagmit.
Short.
Short. John de Guzman to Kid Estalilia.
Good spin.
Paul Lagman. Naku rather. Jacob Valoria for 3. Too strong.
Ang Lagman, nasa ilalim lang, oh.
After a couple of 3-point shots attempt. Gumana ang underneath offense ni Paul Lagman. PJ Parungao. 19-17 with 15 seconds remaining. Paul, foul against Paul Lagman. Ay, Jacob Valoria rather. Sabi ko ba, Paul Lagman pa?
And
Oh, it's on Paul Lagman.
so tama yung una mo.
Uh-uh.
Ibay na naman to the free throw line. Again, look at the offense. Ibay, hindi niya pinipilit. Trying to find his teammates. A true all-around player itong si Jason Ibay. Yung value niya dito sa team ng Minalin. If you remove Jason Ibay sa Minalin All-Stars, I believe, and I truly believe this, that they wouldn't be in this situation right now if it wasn't for Jason Ibay talaga. tumba dun. Tumba si Lagman. Jump ball whistled here, bola ng Angeles City dahil yung possession arrow.
12.7 seconds remaining. 19-18, just a 1-point lead. Skid Estalilla with the basketball. 10 seconds. Back to Joe Marinaco. Back to Kid Estalilla. To VJ Rojas. John De Guzman. Too strong. Ibay. Minalin All-Stars doesn't have time to keep up on the 1-point lead advantage at the end of our first quarter. 19-18. Just a 1-point lead for Angeles City Red Warriors. So take a look here. Heron Bonifacio coming off from the left to the center. Here, John Martinez. The first 3-point shot for Angeles City Red Warriors. And that move from Heron Bonifacio misses, but Ibay was there on the putback. And here, Kid Estalilla. What a move from Kid Estalilla makes this ball game 19-18. It's a 1-point lead at the end of the first quarter. Angeles City Red Warriors with 19 points and Minalin All-Stars with 18.
You split the D. You run the O. You take the shot. You ready to rock. 19 under. Coming very soon.
Put gas on the pedal in the fourth. Angeles City Red Warriors won against Calugatan Santa Rita with 81-69.
Look at that, 5 blocks. Lahat ng 5 blocks na yan galing kay Paula Quindanum, and they really pounded the ball in the painted area, 46-26. And once again, dun na naman sila kumakamada through the painted area. And same as what happened against Calugurang Santa Rita. Dikit pa rin after the first 10 minutes of action. Kagaya nga dun, they put gas in the fourth quarter para makalayo and win that ball game. Pero ngayong araw, it's almost the same thing para sa Angeles City. But itong Minalin, very dangerous to when it comes to fourth quarter. So gusto mo, if you're Angeles City, makaalagwa na agad right before Minalin could get going from the field. The miss right there from the outside para dito kay Rojas. Good move right there. Galing dito kay Caparas.
Ken Caparas checks in from Minalin All-Stars.
Sorry, not Caparas. Kobe Guevara pala yun.
And there you have it, Kobe.
Exactly, Kobe.
The name itself.
Yes. Traveling violation dun kay Lagman.
This Angeles City Red Warriors has been giving a lot of turnovers for Minalin All-Stars. But look, let's take a look at our score, 22-19. Now in favor of Minalin All-Stars. Kenneth Pamulagan. Balik ang bola kay Adrian Layug. Layug checks in. Too strong ang pasa niya dito for NJ Segmit. There was a tap by Nixon Manabat on the head of Layug, saying that it was just okay. 8 minutes and 52 seconds remaining. Kid Estalilla to Sam
Good lob.
Jesus.
Jesus pa rin, pero huli sa likod ni Sagmit.
Tingnan mo yung dumedepensa kay Sam Jesus. Si MJ Sagmit. And look at the height difference. So take a look here. The officials para sa panig ng Angeles City Red Warriors.
Dahil nga knockout game tayo dito, hindi mo alam kung last game na ba ito ng inyong koponan, di ba? Suporta
That's why
na
they're
agad.
all out here for the support. NJ
Touchdown!
Sagmit!
Touchdown!
Almost a scramble on that offense, but Sagmit was able to put it on the basket right on time. Angeles City Red Warriors with Kid Estalilla on the basketball.
Great block. May foul.
NJ Sagmit again. No hesitation on defending Sam De Jesus.
Talon na lang ng talon to sa Sagmit eh. First
8 minutes and 9 seconds remaining. 22 to 19. 3-point lead for Minalan All-Stars.
Pamulagan sits down. Look at this. Laking doon pagpasok. Hiningi agad yung bola, but
Jason Ibay was there. Of course.
And also-
Kanina, battle of the best point guards, ang Lubao at ang Guagua. Ito, battle of the best blockers of the league.
yes. Yung ganda ng mga matchups natin dito, di ba?
Ibay, pinasa ang bola kay Kobe Guevara. Estalilia with the basketball once again.
Look at the defense.
Estalilia against Layug.
Good defense by Layug on Kid Estalilia. Oh, 3
Sayang
on 2.
naman for Minalan.
Favorite talaga nila yan. Alley-oop, Estalilia going over to Jesus. Pero ito, agad-agad sagbit. And again, oh, that's Pau's third. Pangatlo na yun ni Pau. That's Lakindanum's third personal foul already.
NJ Sigmit was down. Third
Submit to
personal
pero
foul for Pau Laquindano.
laking bagay niyan. Kakabalik pa lang niya on the
Just
floor.
7 minutes and
Oo.
17 seconds for our second quarter. Still at our first half of our ball game. 3-point lead for Minalan All-Stars. Timeout on the floor with 7 minutes and 17 seconds remaining for our first half, second quarter. 22 to 19.
You make, you break, you take the shot, you ready to rock. 19 under, coming very soon.
Mayor Philip Nugget of Minalan, Pampanga present here inside the Brenzy Giao Convention Center.
Nice.
Grabe yung mga mayor ng mga different
Yes.
cities and municipalities. Earlier, Mayor Tonton Torres of Guagua, Mayor Esme Pineda of Lubao, and now Mayor Philip.
Nugget. Good to see Mayor Philip Nugget once again. I mean, a real basketball supporter to si Mayor Philip Nugget. Every game, especially kapag naglalaro ang Pampanga Giant Lanterns, the pro team here in Pampanga, laging nanonood yan.
Of course,
So I'm
it's
sorry, wait lang. Hindi lang pro team, the champion professional team. I have
Pampanga Giant Lanterns.
Kailangan may asterisk yung champion.
Also, Mayor Tonton Torres, all the mayors here were very supportive of the champion teams. As kasama din dito ni Mayor Philip Nugget, ang ABC President and all the barangay captains of Minalan. ABC President Domingo Cunanan. At present din ito ang mga barangay captains
Parang
ng
kanina,
Minalan
parang
All-Stars.
yung sa Lubao lang kanina,
And
di
if
ba?
I am not mistaken, yun yung mga naka-polo shirt na red sa likod ng bench ng Minalan.
Baka.
And I'm wondering how many
Kanina naka-white eh.
barangays
Oo.
does Minalan
Yung ilan
has?
yung dinala kanina, 47. The record is 47.
47.
Ang
Paula
laki-
Quintano misses. Ibay against Estalilia. Ibay misses.
Good defense there by Estalilia. Umaatras siya para iwasan si Jason Ibay, who's trying to draw contact.
I'm surprised Jason Ibay has no teamer at Sinag Liga Asia. And I'm hoping that we can see Ibay
Malay-
playing one for the
malay mo
Kapampangan
naman.
teams. Or
Malay
Sinag
mo
Liga
naman.
Asia. Foul against Heron Bonifacio. Kid Estalilia. 22 to 21. 1-point lead for Minalan. Paula Quintano for 3. Not his usual shot.
Wow!
But a big shot for Paula Quintano. That
Show-
states his jersey number 3.
Pinapakita niya na yung growing game niya. He did not have that 2 years ago. Ngayon, meron na pala siya. And look at that block right there. That's his true form right there. The defensive master itong si Paula Quintanum. And the favorite dyan is Estalilia. Pero yun, mintis.
Floater for Kid. Foul on that rebound against 4. 6 minutes remaining. Ibay. Almost a good pass to Nixon Manabat.
Look at that, Coach John Ocampo of Angeles City telling his players baba agad kapag nakashoot. And look at that, mga barangay captain sa Minalin, di ba? Again, patanong natin, ilan yan?
Ilan sila? Mamaya papatanong
The record is 47.
47. Sam De Jesus to kid Estalilia. Back to De Jesus. Too strong. Ball possession goes to Minalin. With 5 minutes and 40 seconds remaining. 24-22 now in favor of Angeles City Red Warriors. Kenneth Pamulagan. Jason Ibay.
Good move by Ibay to escape Lakindanum.
Heron Bonifacio to Jason Ibay once again. Galing lang sa harap natin si Ibay, nandun na agad sa gitna.
Minsan talaga, di mo na lang talaga i-expect nandoon na eh. Kahit siya, tinan mo, pag tira niya, akala din niya mintis eh. Kukunin niya sarili niyang rebound, pero good backdoor play right there. Papunta dito kay Sam De Jesus. There you have it.
5 minutes and 6 seconds remaining. John Martinez. Rebound by Sagmit. Layo Grother.
Good defense there by Pau. 2-on-1 attack galing dito sa Minalin. Overpassing ang ginawa nila doon. They could have taken a shot. One of them, Garcia and Layo. But look at this beautiful pass and alley-oop play papunta dito kay Sam De Jesus. Looking back at that replay.
4 minutes and 42 seconds remaining. 26-24. 2-point lead for Angeles City Red Warriors. Balik kay Baloria ang bola. Baloria to Martinez. Martinez to De Jesus once again.
Basang-basa ni Kobe Guevara yung gustong gawin nitong Angeles City.
Kenneth Pamulagan.
Nabitawan lang.
Four minutes and 19 seconds remaining. Baseline inbound for Angeles City Red Warriors. Jacob Baloria with the basketball.
Coach John telling his players to move the ball and move around. Don't just stand in one place.
Pau for three! Pau surprises us with his second three-point shot of the ballgame.
I did not expect.
That is not his Pau's
Oo.
usual shot, eh, no? Pau's usual shot is driving into the basket.
Oh, tsaka sa ilalim talaga siya naglalaro. Now he develops that three-point shot. Showing us a new Pau Lakindanum right now. Take a look at this. Para sa kanya yung play eh. It was a reverse or inverted back pick para sa kanya para malibre siya doon. That's why etong Angeles City lamang na ng 5, 29-24.
You split the D. You run the O. You take the shot. You ready to rock. 19 under. Coming very soon.
Minalin completes the turnaround 53-43 against United Tumashan Ballers in our quarterfinals round 1.
Take a look at all of the numbers where they completely dominated the stats. Especially the rebound department, up by 17 sila, 57-40 dun sa rebound department. They out-rebounded etong United Tumashan Ballers led by Ibay and Pamulagan in that ball game.
9 blocks,
Oo. Kalat-kalat pa yun. Hindi lang si Ibay yung nakahuli ng mga tira doon, di ba?
5 kicks coming from Jason Ibay.
Parang titira din siya ng tres eh.
Kenneth Pamulagan.
Good bump there by Layo just to prevent Martinez from getting the basketball.
3 minutes and 22 seconds remaining.
Same spot. Different result na for Pamulagan. It's Baloria again with another foul. Look at the crowd. Pinapalakpakan si Baloria. Second team foul on Angeles City.
Three minutes and 14 seconds remaining. 13 on the shot clock. Layug. To Paulo Garcia. In and out. Jacob Valoria. John de Guzman. Sam Jesus.
Even their big man, grabe ah. So tatlong tres in this quarter, dalawa kay Pau, isa kay Sam De Jesus. All of their three-point makes in this quarter come from their bigs.
And you know, that was really Sam De Jesus' play when I first covered here at Delta Cup for Angeles City Red Warriors.
And kita mo, layup agad. Sayang naman, namintis lang ni Sam.
Ganyan yung usual play ni Sam De Jesus eh. From the three-point line, he also drives. Lahat kayang gawin niya ni Sam De Jesus when I first covered here at Delta Cup. For Angeles City Red Warriors, of course. 32-24, 8-point lead for Angeles City Red Warriors. As now, let's turn it over to our courtside reporter, MJ Raimundo, para sa kanyang second quarter report. MJ, go ahead.
Thank you, Pen. Mentally, spiritually, and physically, ganun daw pinagandaan ng Team Minalin ang Angeles City. Especially Kenneth Pamulagan, the king of Minalin All-Stars. Sabi ni Kenneth, gusto daw niya magbunga lahat ng pinaghirapan nila, kaya yun yung magiging sandalan niya para hindi sumuko at ipanalo ang Team Minalin. Back to you, Enzo and Pen.
Thank you so much, MJ. Nagtatampo pa yung isa dito sa tabi ko.
Thank you, Penlando. Pero
going back, Kenneth Pamulagan. Of course, you have to be all out.
oo. And yun na nga eh, kasi it might be your last game. Kanina nga, yung guagwa tulong-tulong tayo, di ba? I got to see Enrico Bugarin sa labas kanina. Sabi niya, malas eh. Yun talaga. You give it your all, di ba? Kasi nga, this is your last game of the tournament. So, kailangan mo talagang ibuhos na lahat if you're Pamulagan. And he's doing so. But yung nga lang, tough task. Kasi tinan mo, kada drive sila, yung laking danong, 3 fouls na siya. Pero ganyan pa rin lumaro ng depensa, di ba? Traveling. Ganun siya kabigat, di ba?
1 minute and 37 seconds remaining.
Bilis ng laro natin.
Mabilis yung second quarter, actually.
Oo. As itong si Nixon Manabat comes back into the ballgame for Minalin. Yung mga referees natin, parang pumipito. Hindi nila alam kung sub o timeout. Ito sure na tayo. May timeout on the floor. 8-point lead for Angeles City, 32-24.
You make, you break, you take the shot, you ready to run. 19 under, coming very soon.
PBA Legends NC naglakas 40 basketball exhibition game on March 10, 2024 at Paint Branch High School, Burtonsville, Maryland. Of course, our president and CEO together with but before everything else, Coach Pedic Di Matulak together with Coach Governor Dennis Delta Pineda. I forgot the name of one of the...
Na-interview mo yun eh.
Yeah, and
Good
Coach
pass.
Benji Navarro introduced me to him.
Oo.
Ang dami kasing pinapakilala sa kanya.
Sa dami ng interview mo, nakikilala mo, you're bound to forget some people din naman. Yeah, it's understandable. Pero
But he
kita
was
mo-
he was one of the officials for Pampanga Giant Lancers.
Yes. Part siya ng staff, a platoon of staffs nga eh. Kung maraming player ang Pampanga, marami din ang coaching staff, di ba? At kita mo naman gano'ng kahusay din naman kasi mga players dito, di ba? Governor Dennis Delta Pineda kanina, I saw a smile on his face right after natutukan siya ng camera. Kasi nga natutuwa siya na ganito yung competition, di ba? Dito sa Delta Cup.
Take a look here. We're almost seeing a crowd na minsan mo lang, lagi mo nakikita for a professional league. And now, this is just an intermunicipalities and cities basketball tournament.
Antayin mo mamaya main event. Yun na yun. Antayin
Feeling
mo
ko
yung main
hanggang
event.
labas tayo dito eh.
Labas na nila yung LED. Para makanood yung mga nasa labas, di ba? Pull up.
Oh!
Great pull up there.
NJ Sagmit.
Great pull up there by Sagmit. And I called it kasi nga nakita ko umander si Valoria off that pick and roll when the defender goes under sa pick and roll, tira mo na agad. They're daring you to shoot when ganyan yung defensive coverage off a pick and roll.
11 on the shot clock, 15 on the game clock.
Grabe naman yung screen na yun ni Lagman. And again, alley-oop play against to De Jesus.
7 seconds remaining.
I was counting how many players na nakapalibot doon kay Lagman. 4 sila ang pumalibot sa kanya para lang hindi niya matira yun after the offensive rebound.
Sure ball kasi lagi pag si Paul Lagman underneath.
Kita mo naman gano'ng kalaki yan, di ba? And balita ko, bata pa daw tong Paul Lagman na to eh. Wala pa daw 20 yan eh. So, di ba? Potential of this kid.
Tapos nakakapaglaro na siya ng ganyang klaseng laro. Sa mga
Mismo. And look at that. Good seal by Lagman.
Ayan,
Great
speaking
seal
of,
off the
narinig
inbound.
ka ata.
Naka-in-house ba? And a great way to finish the quarter para dito sa Angeles City. A great inbound play for them, leading to a Paul Lagman layup. And it now extends their lead to 9 points dito. As we can see ang ating mga second quarter highlights. Kobe Guevara with that hang time bucket right there to start us off. And ito yung favorite play ng Angeles City, that Estalilia to De Jesus in the sky play. Jason Ibay really challenging itong Lakindanum. But again, twice ginawa dito ng Angeles City. It's so nice. You have to see it twice. Yung alley-oop play na yan to De Jesus. That's why lamang itong Angeles City Red Warriors. 36-27, 9-point lead para sa kanila against the Minalin All-Stars. Kapit lang po mga kabalin. Magbabalik po tayo dito sa 2024 Delta Cup.
Pampanga, known as the culinary capital of the Philippines, offers the best variety of Filipino dishes. But there's more to this province than just good food. Welcome to Pampanga. Despite being hit by Mount Pinatubo's eruption more than 30 years ago, the Kapampangans were able to rebuild the province. Economy is booming. Former military base, Clark Air Base, has been reborn into a Freeport zone. Home to business parks, EPOs, malls, convention centers, and world-class hotels and resorts. Aside from Clark, tourist attractions in other areas of Pampanga are among the most exciting places and events in the Philippines. From trekking, adventure sports, leisure, and a lot more. The Kapampangans are also deeply religious. The depth of faith can be reflected with the grandeur, dignity, and divine beauty of their churches. And during the Holy Week, Pampanga is also said to be strangely famous not only for devotees who flock different churches for what is known as the Visita Iglesia every Maundy Thursday. but also for the penitents who self-flagellate on the streets on Good Friday. Some whip themselves until their backs swell or bleed, or carry wooden crosses. For the more courageous ones, they vow to have themselves nailed on the cross as a way to repent for their sins. These unique rituals, traditions, and devotion have attracted much media and tourist interest since featured in the 1960s.
So come home and explore all these and more here in Pampanga, in the heart of Central Zone.
You split the D. You run the O. You take the shot. You ready to rock. 19 under. Coming very soon.
You are still tuned at the 2024 Delta Cup at ito ang labanan Angeles City Red Warriors kontra Minalin All-Stars at the end of the first half. 9-point lead for Angeles City Red Warriors, 36-27. As we take a look here, this halftime highlights from Heron Bonifacio.
Diyan tayo
Coming
nagsimula,
from the
di ba?
left,
And ito
sliding through the center. And
ito yung layup ni Estalilia kanina.
Paano yun? Dinidemo ko, kaya may cup. Here, Heron Bonifacio misses, but there was Jason Ibay on the putback at the center.
Alley play to Sam De Jesus kanina, and ito yung good give and go papunta kay Jason Ibay for the easy layup. And ito, hindi po yan replay, dalawang beses po talaga ginawa nila yan. Ni Estalilia at De Jesus yung alley play. Kaya nga lamang sila ngayon by 9 points as we see the leading scorers.
For Angeles City Red Warriors, Paul Lagman with 8, Sam De Jesus with 7, Paula Quintanon with 6. And para sa parig ng Minalin All-Stars, Kenneth Pamulagan with 8, Jason Ibay with 7, and Segmit with 5. 36-27. Kaya tutok lamang po kayo dahil magbabalik kami para sa laban ng Angeles City Red Warriors kontra Minalin All-Stars.
You make, you break, you take the shot, you ready to rock. 19 under, coming very soon. Tagisan ng lakas, labanan ng bilis, gamitan ng estratehiya. Kilalanin ang mga pambato ng siyudad ng Pampanga Delta Cup 2024 Intermunicipality and City Tournament. Hatid sa inyo ng Sinag Liga Asia. Sinag Liga Asia. Mekos na yan!
Going back to the second half of our ball game, Angeles City Red Warriors kontra Minalin All-Stars. We're still live inside the Brenzy Giao Convention Center in the city of San Fernando, Pampanga, the home of Sinag Liga Asia, born 2001 inaugural season champions, the Pampanga Delta. Not to mention a lot of professional leagues that has been champions for Pampanga, the Pampanga Giant Lanterns, Pampanga Pradera Theme Park.
The Triple Crown. The Triple Crown champion, Pampanga Giant Lanterns, di ba? In every league that they joined, champion lahat, di ba? And that's why itong mga bata na to na naglalaro sa Delta Cup, yun ang pinapangarap, di ba? Makaabot din dun at makalaro to represent their home provinces. We can see ito nga ang ating tournament format dito. We had 21 teams divided into 2 brackets. 8 teams kinuha per bracket para makapasok dito sa quarterfinals round 1 with the top 4 teams having a twice to beat advantage. 1 versus 8, 2 versus 7, 3 versus 4, 3 versus 6, and 4 versus 5. And then yung mga nakapasok doon, aabot dito sa quarterfinals 2 kung saan knockout ang mangyayari. 1 versus 4 and 2 versus 3. The 4 teams that will qualify pupunta sa semifinal round kung saan maglalaban-laban sila lahat. Single round robin. Top 2 teams with the best record dun sa ating semifinals round papasok sa championship round kung saan best of 3 yun. And of course, the number 3 and number 4 seed maglalaban-laban ng isang laro to determine the 3rd and 4th placers.
Kaya nga 4 teams will bid their goodbye and their last game to our 2024 Delta Cup. As we can see here, Coach John Ocampo of Angeles City Red Warriors.
Halftime, pangiti-ngiti na siya. Pero kanina nung naglalaro, medyo kasi mangot siya. Kasi medyo bad start yung Angeles City. But towards the end of that second quarter, gumanda. Bumalik yung tunay na Angeles City Red Warriors na playing style.
Jacob Baloria. Paul Lagman. Eto na naman yung parang laging may nakatakip sa...
May payong nangangala ng Jason Ibay eh. Good
nice
kick
bounce
out.
Pass. Jumper. For Heron Bonifacio.
Good ball movement and good decision making. Once the ball, pag nakasona yung kalaban mo, once the ball gets into that free throw line area, dun nagbe-breakdown yung defense kasi it forces them to go man. Pick up a man while it's in scramble mode. Good kick out by Estalilia. Ayaw pa rin talaga yung 3-pointer ni Baloria.
John Martinez.
Good block.
Nice
Ibay na
rejection
naman.
from Ibay. And Ibay again for the rebound. But Minalin wasn't able to keep the ball at their hands. Still from Jacob Baloria. There's a whistle. Foul on the ground. 9 minutes. 9 minutes remaining for our second half. Third quarter for ball game, 36-29. There's 19 seconds left.
Sa minuto na pala nakalipas.
Ang bilis nga eh.
Ang dami nilang possession agad. And offensive foul whistle on Paul Lagman right there. And even he was surprised. And good leadership there by Estalilia. Hatakin mo na yung kakampi mo. Baba na tayo sa depensa. Great leadership there. Galing dito kay Paul Lagman.
Kid Estalilia.
Sorry, Kid Estalilia. Kay Paul Lagman kasi yung binabag.
3-point shot from Kenneth Pamulagan.
Same way we started off this ball game.
He has the full confidence on that shot. Whistle against PJ Parungao. Take a look. PJ Parungao to Kenneth Pamulagan for 3.
pure yung stroke nito ni Pamulagan eh. And kita mo, agad-agad Coach John Ocampo, hindi na natiis, nilabas agad itong si Lagman. Babalik niya na si Paula Quindanum.
Pau already has 3 fouls for
Yes.
this ball game.
So again, look at that. Valoria na naman and Parungao. Kanina pa sila nagkakainitan ngayon. Garcia, sabi niya, sige ako naman. Look at him guard Valoria right now.
Back to Paula
Give and go.
Quintanum.
Great give and go right there by the Tulu with 1 Kapampangan Cagers.
Can't wait to see them play again.
Unless may ibang team na
Tulu with 1
kumuha sa kanila.
Kapampangan. Sabi
Lang
nga
sila.
nila, sa ganyan daw matitesting yung loyalty mo. Eh.
Ah, hindi lang Bakit ako, hindi naman ako naglalaro. Loyal ako.
Ah, talaga ba?
Asar ako sa kanya. And look at that. Valoria and Garcia again.
Dahil loyal tayong lahat dito.
May naantay ako player sa Angeles City na ipasok.
Oo, sabi mo gagamitin ah.
Malay mo naman. Kilala ko si Coach John Ocampo, lahat ng players ginagamit yun eh. Malay mo naman gamitin.
8 minutes and 7 seconds remaining.
Oh yan, may 8 minutes and 7 seconds pa siya para pumasok.
Meron
So,
pang 10 minutes ang fourth.
Oo. Good pass and again, Estalilia to De Jesus. And Sam shaken up dahil hard foul ang binitawan ni Ibay.
Look at Jacob Valoria.
Tine-check kung may bukol ba. Look at this pass right here by Estalilia. Shovel pass and then Ibay. Playoff foul ang binigay. Nahilo doon ng konti si Sam De Jesus eh. But playoff foul talaga ang tawag doon. You're in the playoffs. No soft fouls dapat ibibigay mo.
2 minutes already passed by the third quarter. 40-32. 8-point lead for Angeles City Red Warriors. And say submit to Paolo Garcia. Back to Jason Ibay. Balikan bola kay Kenneth Pamulagan.
Good defense by Angeles City. Pero better offense galing dito kay Garcia. Look at that, too small. Tinu-small niya doon si Lakindanum, ha?
CJ Delfino draw like an emotion like that
Oo.
earlier. And now, nakikita mo yun sa mga point guards talaga. Eh, no?
Yes, lalo na pag naka-score ka agad sa big man. Pero what a steal here by Martinez. Good drop off. Wow! What a pass by Estalilia! They say foul on the ground. Not counted daw, sabi ng referee natin. What a tap there by Kid Estalilia to Lakindanum.
40-34.
Free throws pa rin pala to kasi penalty na. But take a look at this. Off the miss by De Jesus. Look at Estalilia. Just tap it. Papunta kay Paula Quindanum. There was the foul. On the ground, sabi ng ating referee. But nonetheless, dahil penalty na nga ito Minalin All-Stars. Yung free throws mabibigay dito kay Paula Quindanum. Who, speaking of Minalin All-Stars,
6 points for Pau.
happy watching and shout out to the pride of Minalin himself. My good friend, Joshua Miklat, another former Letranista.
7 minutes and 13 seconds remaining. 41-34. Adrian Layug. Sorry, miss for Ibay. But going back to your shoutout, nanood yung last game,
Yes,
di ba?
oo. And I can't wait. Kaya ko sila binabanggit din kasi they're going to play next week on March 17, di ba? Magsisimula na ang Sinag Liga Asia tournaments and I cannot wait to see them, the Pampanga Delta, defend their crown. And I cannot wait to see how many kids dito, just like Kenneth Pamulagan, makakapaglaro ba sila for a Sinag Liga Asia team, di ba? Ito man daming talented players, di ba? And ito pa yung nakakatawa dito, Pena, Pampanga pa lang to. What more pa kaya ang other provinces? And what more pa kaya yung mga ibang players na hindi nakaabot sa mga tryout, di ba? Mga BC, di ba? Ang daming talented players dito sa Pampanga. I mean, we saw Encho, we saw Balti kanina, di ba? We keep on seeing Kurt Rayson sometimes watch games. Although Kurt Rayson is from Davao, di ba?
You know, that is why itong mga bata dito sa Delta Cup, no, they have been showcasing their talent.
Yes.
Kasi gusto nila to be one day, sila na yung magiging Enzo Serrano. One day, sila na yung magiging Justin Baltazar ng Pampanga.
Kita naman natin, di ba? Ito na naman yung favorite play. Yun nga lang. medyo fancy lang kasi ni Sam De Jesus yun. Tumingin pa sa pababa eh. As the
43 to 36.
yung anxious crowd dito for Minalin All-Stars, medyo umiinit na yung mga ulo, di ba? Medyo nagiging emotional na yung crowd. Kasi nga, di ba, knockout game to, you expect this. At kita mo, I don't even see that much seats na bakante dito sa atin. Lalo na sa likod natin, di ba? Punong-puno yung nasa likod natin.
Pagtingin mo nga talaga sa likod mo.
Gulat nga tayo, di ba? Akala natin doon lang yung puno. Mas marami pa pala dito sa likuran.
Jacob Valoria against Ibay.
Good kick out.
Back to Kid Estalilia.
Look at that behind the back. Di lang ready dun si Martinez. The talent galing dito kay Kid Estalilia, di ba?
Five minutes and 32 seconds remaining.
Good drive by Pamulagan. And that will be Lakindanum's fourth. Pang-apat na yan ni Lakindanum. One more and he's out.
Still early.
Oo.
As we take a look, Kenneth Pamulagan going for a drive. Foul
Sabit.
Lakindanum. Sumabit kasi siya dun sa braso.
Sabit.
Ni Kenneth Pamulagan.
And Kenneth Pamulagan is... Ibay is the heart and soul. This guy is the scorer. He is the offense dito ng Minalin All-Stars, so he needs to take over in order for them to come back and win this ball game.
Hindi tayo nauubusan ng crowd dito. Mabawat na.
Oh, di ba? Lalo na simula yung playoffs, di ba? Wala tang game na hindi tayo nagkaroon ng empty arena. Paano pa mamaya?
It's well known. Itong Pampanga talaga, it's well known to support.
Grabe.
Sabi ni Kid Estalilia doon.
Spin move to the no-look pass to Sam De Jesus for the alley-oop play. Pangatlong beses na nila ginawa yan. I mean, yung chemistry na itong dalawang players na to is second to none as, again, Pamulagan really attacking Lakindanum's defense. Gusto nilang mawala na si Pau Lakindanum sa floor. Look at that. Pau's just allowing them to just take a shot. Tataas na lang yung kamay. Oh! What a block by Pau!
Grabe yung sipag ni Pau.
Oo. Parang yung dalawang layup ni Ibay, hinayaan na lang niya. Pagdating doon sa layup ni Sagmit, sige, ito. Look at that. He erased that shot. Volleyball block galing dito kay Pau Lakindanum.
Galing siyang labas.
Volleyball ata nilalaro nito ni Pau eh.
Blocker yan. Middle blocker yan kapag nag-volleyball.
Wala, hindi. I'm sorry for being ignorant sa volleyball. Wala akong alam.
Dati kasi ang volleyball player. That's why I know.
Kaya naman pala. Ano bang posisyon ni Idol? Idol ko?
Libero.
Libero siya. Never mind. Never mind. Tama, wala talaga ako alam. Si Cici na lang. Cici Rondina.
Open.
Ganun. Open spiker siya. Okay. Never mind. Ayoko na nga.
Going back.
Oo. I-relate ko sana yung dalawang sport eh.
Hindi, mahirap. Sobrang hirap i-relate niya. Yung mga person dito.
Lalo talaga mahirap kung wala kang alam
Di ba
kagaya
may
ko.
1-2 din dito sa basketball? Sa volleyball may ganun din.
Sa volleyball, 6, di ba?
Pero
6 kayo.
ano lang yung pwesto doon? 1, 2, 3.
First minutes on the floor for Ramil Balantad. Another Luid 1 Kapampangan player. Ramil Balantad is on the floor, number 2 for Angeles City.
Fresh hugot for Coach John Ocampo.
Ramil Balantad. Yun ang napansin ko dito. Daming mga sinagliga as players, di ba?
But now let's turn it over to our courtside reporter, MJ Raymunda, para sa kanyang third quarter update. MJ, take it away.
Thank you, Pen. Aside from the king of Minalin All-Stars, Kenneth Pamulagan, the hard-working point guard of Minalin All-Stars, Jason Ibay, still settled for his mentality inside the court. According to Ibay, they badly need the control, effort, balance, trust, and strength hanggang end of the quarter to sustain the momentum and get the win for today's game. Back to you, Enzo and Pen.
Thank you so much, MJ. They need to take control. That came from the one of the best blocker of the tournament, Jason Ibay.
Jaja Sancha. Pero look at that. Estalilia nawala lang sa mid-air yung bola. But again, Ibay and Pamulagan, these two players really controlling the game for Minalin. I said, di ba? Silang dalawa talaga dapat magsimula.
Just a 7-point lead for Angeles City Red Warriors.
Look at that. And who got the block? Jason Ibay. Nagpa-volleyball ata itong dalawa na ito. Yung mga dual sport athletes, di ba? Yung pwedeng mag-basketball, pwedeng mag-volleyball. Laking Danum tsaka Ibay. Look at him track down that ball and spike it out of bounds.
But Pau is out now for Angeles City Red Warriors. He needs to sustain.
Fouls niya.
Natitira niyang last foul.
Oo.
Still have 3 minutes and 36 seconds for our third quarter. Meron pa siyang 10 minutes for our fourth and final quarter. Scramble on that play.
Good spin by De Guzman. Di lang pumasok ng tira.
Jason Ibay for the rebound.
Look at
Ibay
Ibay.
against 4.
Look at that. Nanlaki mata. Wala daw yung laking Danum dun. Di, dire-diretso na niya yung tira.
Walang magko-contest sa kanya eh.
And even Coach Pedig Di Matulak smiling after that shot. Pero look at that. Coach Jonathan Benedict Buwan is smiling after that layup di Estalilia.
That's why it's the RC Nagliga Asat born 2001 is very exciting.
Oo, sana madagdagan yung 16 players galing na naglalaro dito sa Delta Cup. From born 2001, 16 I count. Dagdag natin si Ice Danting, Ramil Balantad, di ba? Pero sana madagdagan pa, maging 20 pa yan eh. Look at this move by the Heartbreak Kid himself. Grabe.
The question is, where will Ice Danting play?
UST. As Naku draws a foul.
Jo Marinaco has been quiet in the first, when we entered the second half of the ball game.
Sabi ko nga sa'yo, si Naku parang ano yan eh.
Nakascore player.
Parang Dennis Concha yung laruan eh, di ba? He will just let the offense come to him. Hindi niya kailangan ng ganun ka-fancy na galawan. Kung bibigyan mo ako ng open look, titira ko. Kung bibigyan mo ako ng drive, sige, aatake ako. Offensive rebound, putback, ganun simple basketball, di ba? He could get 15 to 19 points per game itong si Jo Marinaco by just doing that, spacing the floor, letting the offense come to him. Kagaya ni Dennis Concha, di ba? Pamulagan again, drawing a foul. Ito, talagang hindi. Ito yung kanina sabi natin, lakas 40 player yung game. I say the game, hindi yung laruan. By yung playing style ni Jo Marinaco, ito si Pamulagan. Alam mong pang board 2001 eh. Explosive na explosive yung laruan eh.
So still a 7-point lead for Angeles City Red Warriors with 2 minutes and 25 seconds left for our third quarter. Kenneth Pamulagan misses the first throw. Yan
ang kailangan nila. Ma-hit yung free throws nila dito.
One out of 2 for Pamulagan. 49 to 43. Just a 6-point lead for Angeles City Red Warriors. John De Guzman.
Dami pang oras. Look at Bonifacio just guard Estalilia.
Back to Henson.
4-on-4 yung laban dito dahil si Estalilia at si Bonifacio nandun pa sa baseline.
Holding foul against John Henson. Jensen pala. John De Guzman kasi.
Oo. Dami yan John.
Puro kasi J yung start
diba?
ng mga
John,
pangalan nila.
Jensen.
Nakakabulol lang. Jensen Henson. O, diba?
Karim pa. Hindi, may iniintay pa akong player.
1 out of 2 for Jensen Henson.
Meron pa nga sila Jacob, di ba? Si Jacob Valoria.
Number 24.
Tsaka Joe Marinaco, di ba? Daming J dito sa Angeles City, di ba?
3-point shot for Kenneth Pamulagan. Off to the center. But a rebound from Layug. Heron Bonifacio for 3.
Open!
Yes, sir! For
Open na
Heron
open.
Bonifacio.
Offensive rebounding para dito sa Iminalin. Wala yun ng first half. Ngayong second half, dumarami na ang offensive rebounds nila.
Just a 4-point lead.
Travel pa dun si Estalilia. Babalik pa si NJ Sagmit.
Hindi mabalik ni Coach John Ocampo si Pau eh.
And dahil one more foul to go and he's out, hindi mo na talaga siya mababalik as Bonifacio fired again from the same spot. But look at the hustle right here from
Nice
Minalin.
take from Pamulagan!
One player's down. Pamulagan's down. Hindi nga lang makapitalize at Pamulagan. They have to blow the whistle. Dahil nga nakatumba pa rin si Kenneth Pamulagan, holding on to his face. I think his mouth ang hinahawakan niya ngayon.
Nasiko
Natamaan
siya doon
ata.
on that scramble.
Oo. Mouth ba niya o ilong niya ang natamaan? He's holding on to both right now.
Take a look what happened to Kenneth Pamulagan.
Tira ni Guevara. There's Pamulagan. Oh, inadvertent. Natamaan siya inadvertently. I believe by Paul Lagman. It's a rebound play and agad-agad dyan tumumba.
If Kenneth Pamulagan would not play, the
That's the-
remaining 1 minute and 10 seconds and at the fourth quarter, this
Okay.
would be very hard for Minalin All-Stars.
Mahirap, masakit yan eh. Sa nose area ka matamaan. Good thing walang dugo. There's no blood running down his nose
Pero kasi
right
pag,
now.
halimbawa pag nilaglag lang yung cellphone mo, di ba yung pag nanonood?
Yun talaga yung example mo ah.
Oo.
Yung
Hindi kasi
cellphone
yung mga
mo.
ganong feeling, yung pag sa ilong mo,
Oo.
parang may nakakahilo
Alin
siya.
siya sa'yo sa cellphone eh.
Oo.
Akin, tablet yung nalaglag sa mukha ko dati. Eh, nakasalamin pa ako ah. And, I mean, good to see na walang dugo. I mean, walang injury sa ilong. Natamaan lang inadvertently. Inadvertently is the right term. Kasi hindi naman sinasadya ni Paul Lagman eh. Sadya lang nandun yung ilong ni Pamulagan, natamaan ni Lagman with his hand, di ba?
10-point lead. 10-point lead, sorry. Just a 2-point lead now
Napabilang ako.
for Angeles City Red Warriors. 50-48.
Is this another miracle win para sa Minalin?
Jason Ibay.
Good strip right there by Martinez.
Na here. Nako.
Diba? No fancy finish. Walang pabali sa ere kagaya ni Estalilla, diba? You just go straight up and lay it on your head.
Jason Ibay to submit. Balik kay Ibay ang bola. Heron Bonifacio asking for help. No serve this time.
Look at Kobe. Keep it alive.
And Jay Submit on the rebound.
Grabe. Si Sagmit pa yun ah. The point guard ng Minalin All-Stars pa nakakuha ng offensive rebound that time.
Coach Pedic Di Matulak was clapping after that play.
Nagustuhan niya effort and a steal by Warren. Or Harry.
Heron.
Heron Bonifacio. Iba, Warren Bonifacio
Sino
pala yun.
tinawag mo?
Sorry, Warren Bonifacio. Iba pala yun. Taga Mapua pala yun. Sorry.
52-50. What a third quarter run
They're gonna review
for
it.
Minalin All-Stars.
They're gonna review if counted daw dapat yung basket na yun to tie the game. And crucial to, if it counts, tie game tayo entering the fourth.
No, hindi natin alam dito kung paano mababalik si Paolo Quindano with 1 remaining fouls. He will be out for the remaining minutes of this ball game.
So titingnan natin sa IRS. There's the mislay. Ina-annotate ko kahit sa IRS, di ba? They
It
say
is
counted.
counted.
They say count. Free throws dapat to. They say abot sa oras. Pinapabalik pa nila and look at that. 1/10 of a second. Let's look at this. Heron Bonifacio misses the layup. Tama na yung pagsabi ko ng pangalan. There's the foul. Doon kay NJ Sagmit sa putback niya. Tinitingnan, akala din nila kasi abot yung tira kanina. Tumira pa eh. They were looking at the foul on NJ Sagmit kung abot pa. If ka-count ba nila with the time and they're telling the officials how much time should be left. Crucial din yun eh, how much seconds or milliseconds ang matitira dito. As currently right now, NJ Sagmit can tie the game entering the fourth with these 2 free throws. The referees still going over. They say 2.1 seconds remaining sa third period. Crazy third period, no? Pen.
We entered this ball game 9-point lead.
Oo. Umangat pa ng 10 ulit, di ba? Itong Angeles City. And then, Crazy comeback right here from Minalin. Again, another third quarter storm for them.
.1 seconds remaining after that shot. 2 free throws for Enze Segmit. It could have been tied the ball game if he was able to knock out that first shot.
0 for 2. And look at Lagman just secured the ball. Woo! Muntik pa yun, ha?
Muntik pa yun for John Martinez. What a crazy third quarter we had. 52-50 from the 9-point biggest lead of the ball game. Now it's down to 2. Take a look here. Kid Estalilia with that beautiful move. Kinaliwa. Kenneth Pamulaga against Paolo Quindano.
Bodying Lakindanum there. And ito yung Estalilia. Beautiful alley-oop pass papunta kay Sam De Jesus. And ito yung counter ni Jason Ibay off his own rebound. Tinakbo niya. And all the way to the basket. Kaya nga, 2 puntos na lang ang hinahabol dito na Minalin All-Stars. 52-50 against the Angeles City Red Warriors entering the 4th and final quarter. Who will aim high? Malalaman natin yan sa pagbabalik natin dito sa 2024 Delta Cup.
You split the D. You run the O. You take the shot. You ready to rock. 19 under. Coming very soon.
SLA goes to Visayas for Born 2004 and Born 2007 this April 2024. For interested teams, please send us a letter of intent at sinag-sport@gmail.com, or you can send us our Facebook, Sinag Liga Asia, or contact our Deputy Commissioner for Sinag Liga Asia, Mr. Paul Hoven at 0917-855-5565. This April 2024, SLA goes to Visayas. Sideline inbound for Heron Bonifacio, going back to our 4th and final quarter of this ball game.
Who wants it more? Who will aim high sa dalawang koponan na to? Good bump there by Pamulaga, but better defense galing dun kay Sam De Jesus.
Paula Quindano is back. He needs to take care of his one last foul left for him. Jacob Baloya knocks the jumper.
Good
De Guzman,
job.
rather.
Good defense again by De Jesus.
John De Guzman on that steal. There was Paulo Garcia.
Nearly
Marungaw on the
traveled.
rebound. Garcia once again. Hindi pa nagpapahinga tong si Jason Ibay.
Oh, look at Garcia, wide open look there.
Too strong. 54-50, 4-point lead for Angeles City Red Warriors. Paolo Quindano with a 3-point shot again.
He had
It's short
three.
this time.
He had 2 kaninang second quarter. Ngayon, medyo short na, malamig siya coming off the bench. Medyo matagal-tagal siya nakaupo after gaining his 4th personal foul kaninang 3rd period.
And there was hesitation sa dito sa magiging depensa ni Pau, no? Taking care of the one last foul he had.
Kanina nga before he blocked, di ba si Sagmit, pinabayaan niya lang yung dalawang players ng Minalin to just shoot layups. Namintis nga lang. And look at Estalilia. Save it to the wrong man, and De Jesus again. De Jesus
Parang
naman
may
ang
takip na
nagdedepensa.
naman yung ring dito ng...
Dito na naman sa side na to, di ba?
Oo. Kenneth Pamulagan.
Good bump, and there you go. Tie game tayo. Or sorry, 2-point game na naman.
Still 2-point lead for Angeles City Red Warriors.
And look at the crowd of Minalin right here.
Jacob Baloria against Paulo Garcia. Balik ang bola kay Estalilia with 9 seconds left on the shot
Good
clock.
crossover. Yun lang. That time, hindi sila nagka-connect ni De Jesus.
And look at the crowd of Minalin.
A chance to tie or take the lead dito with a 3-pointer for Minalin. PJ's wide open. There you go. Tie game, tie at
We're
54.
now tied. 7 minutes and 44 seconds left.
We said we're gonna get 4 exciting games ngayong araw. So far, 2 out of 2 tayo, Ben.
That's why we're conserving our energy. Another 2-point lead. Palitan lang ng 2 puntos ang parehong kupunan.
Sam De Jesus, the old reliable para dito sa Angeles City. Whoa!
Nice pick! Nice
And
pick
even-
from Heron Bonifacio.
Even Lakindanum approved of that play. Naisahan siya. Pau gave him daps after that shot.
Balik ang bola kay Estalilia. Estalilia. Nice rejection from Heron Bonifacio. Six minutes and 55 seconds.
Oh, look at that. The crowd na Minalin booing. Ito si Valoria.
We're tied at 56. But look at the crowd. Ang sagot din na sigaw nitong crowd ng Angeles City Red Warriors.
Labanan na din ng crowd eh.
Wala lumamaya.
Oo. True.
Hindi ko na alam paano magkakarinigan
I
mamaya.
agree.
Home team. Tapos yung kalaban, kala mo home team din lagi. 2-point lead again for Angeles City Red Warriors. Parungaw.
Good spin move there. Wow! Grabe naman yung tira na yun.
Smooth move from PJ Parungaw. We're tied again at 58.
And even Governor Dennis Delta Pineda approved of that shot. Napangiti si Gov doon.
Grabe naman kasi yung pinapakita talaga na itong mga batang to.
Napakahirap ng tira na yun ha, pero the degree of difficulty was so high and yet parang easy lang para dito kay Parungaw.
And now it's PJ Parungaw against Kid Estalilia. Paulo Garcia against Jacob Valoria.
Naisingit pa ni De Guzman dun sa ilalim.
John De Guzman. Now back the lead to Angeles City Red Warriors. 2-point lead, 60 to 58. PJ Parungaw once again, jumper.
Oh, that's Pau's 5th. That's his last foul.
It's against Paolo Kendanum.
That's gonna be his last foul. He's out of the game.
Take a
Take a look at this right here. Nadaganan niya after challenging. There you go. Nadaganan niya si Parungaw. There's
5 minutes and 58 seconds still left. Paolo Kendanum has been graduated,
Oo.
has been fouled out.
maagang graduate.
Naunahan pa ako.
Pero ito,
Kidding aside, John Marinaco will check
Yes.
in.
the small ball lineup para dito sa Angeles City without Lakindanum on the floor. Naku ang papasok nila. So it will be on Sam De Jesus to man the center position.
And it's against Jason Ibay.
Or no, Lagman pumasok.
It's PJ Parungaw's time to tie this ball game. 1 out of 2 for now. Look at the crowd of Minalin. Two out of 2 for PJ Parungaw. We're tied again at 60. No Paula Kendanum for Angeles City Red Warriors. Marinaco to Valoria.
Good seal by Naku underneath. On a mismatch against Paulo, the smaller Paulo Garcia.
5 minutes and 45 seconds left. NJ Sagmit will check in.
Did Garcia foul out din? I think Paulo Garcia fouled out din. So 2 casualties already. 1 from either side. Oh, good defense by Sagmit. At naputokan din ng 24 itong Angeles City. So chance to take the lead itong for the Minalin All-Stars.
Grabe yung naging depensa nitong Minalin All-Stars coming to our 4th and final quarter of this ball game. Sideline inbound for Heron Bonifacio. No Jason Ibay. I thought no Jason Ibay. Nakita ko na pala doon. Nandun si Ibay. Parungaw.
Good curl by Bonifacio.
The lead is now back to Minalin.
And look at the
62
crowd.
to 60. And take a look.
Look at the crowd. Everyone up in arms for Minalin. Bakit naman hindi? Tingnan mo, beautiful curl play right here for Bonifacio. Dahil walang laking danum, wala nang didepensa niyan.
Soy, 62 to 60. 2-point lead for Minalin All-Stars. As 5 minutes and 11 seconds left for our 4th and final quarter.
Tagisan ng lakas, labanan ng bilis, gamitan ng estratehiya, kilalanin ang mga pambato ng siyudad ng Pampanga. Delta Cup 2024 Intermunicipality and City Tournament hatid sa inyo ng Sinag Liga Asia. Sinag Liga Asia. Mekos na yan!
Going back to the final 5 minutes and 11 seconds remaining. As PBA Legends and Sinag Lakas 40 basketball exhibition game on March 10, 2024 at Paint Branch High School, Burdensville, Maryland. Our president and CEO for Sinag Liga Asia, Boss Ray Alao, together with our commissioner for Sinag Liga Asia, Rodney Santos, was already there at the United States, together with other PBA legends, EJ File, John Ferrios, and of course the legend himself, Alvin Patrimonio.
What a block there by Martinez.
Going back here, Estalilia.
Good pass.
To Guzman. Palagman.
Tallest man
Palagman
on the floor.
has to take off. Ang iniwan dito ni Paula Quindanum na trabaho. 10.7 rebounds for Paula Quindanum before he was fouled out of this ball game.
Look at that.
Coach John Ocampo instructing Kid Estalilia on what will he do for the remaining 4 minutes and 39 seconds.
Crucial tong second free throw para dito kay Lagman. Two for two and ties the game at 62.
This is still long. 4 minutes and 36 seconds remaining.
Oh, good alley-oop play. Sila naman daw, Sagmit and Bonifacio connecting there. Binawian, a taste of their own medicine for Angeles City.
Parungaw. Sasalita ako, nakapuntay pala. 64 to 62, 2-point lead for Minalin All-Stars. Heron Bonifacio. Sagmit.
Travel.
Clearly a traveling violation against NJ Sagmit. Nauubos yung lakas ko dito sa larong to. Para din ako naglalaro dyan sa loob. Estalilia to Baloria. Baloria against Pamulagan. Too short, Palagman.
Masikip sa ilalim. An easy layup for Martinez. Good pressure defense. On Pamulagan ang ginawa doon ng Angeles City. Tatlong players ang nag-converge papunta kay Pamulagan.
We're now tied again at 64. 3 minutes and 14 seconds remaining. Jason Ibay to PJ Parungao. Ibay. Heron Bonifacio.
This will be big. Oh,
There was
foul.
a whistle against Jacob Baloria.
A pushing foul whistle.
We're tied at 64. Three minutes and 2 seconds remaining. First one is good for Heron Bonifacio.
Take a look at this jumper again. Yung same foul. Landing spot foul na naman ang Benito. Same thing as Paula Quindanon.
3 free throws for Heron Bonifacio.
1 out of 2 na siya so far.
He misses the second one.
Oh!
Tingnan mo, siya pa
Wala na.
nakakuha ng rebound.
Lagman tries to face guard pero hindi niya nakita na papunta pala sa kanya sa yung bola.
PJ Parungao asking for help.
Layo.
That's too long. Bonifacio again. Submit, asking for help. Balik kay Parungao ang bola. 7 seconds remaining on the shot clock. Submit to Heron Bonifacio. Ibay rather. Parungao. No time left.
Finally, Nako flies in for that rebound.
Rebound for Naku. Balik kay Estalili ang bola. 1 point lead for Minalin.
Kid asking for a foul, no whistle.
Estalili asked for it.
3-on-1.
And there you have it. 66, 67 to 64 as we approach the last 2 minutes of our ball game.
Grabe. What a game as Nako misfires. And look at the crowd of Minalin. Nararamdaman na nila.
But this is still long. 1 minute and 43 seconds. PJ Parungao taking all the time needed. 8 seconds left. Balik kay Submit ang bola. Submit for 3. Too strong. Palagman on the rebound. Balik kay Estalili ang bola. It could not have been a missed possession.
And look at that attack by Kid Estalilia, but he might have gotten hurt. I'm sorry, I have to say this. I did not like that from the crowd of Minalin. They're a good crowd, but I do not like that. Na nasaktan si Estalilia and they're cheering. That's completely wrong. I had to react that way. I did not like that.
They have been crossed the line on that part.
Oo, and I like the part na yung mga coaching staff ng Minalin agad tumalikod at pinakalma yung crowd. Nung nakita nila nasaktan si Estalilia, he rolled his ankle in this play. And nag-cheer yung Minalin crowd dahil nakita nila nasaktan si Estalilia. Good job from the coaching staff. Nakita nila nasaktan si Estalilia. Patahimikin natin, di ba? Give respect to Estalilia. Eh, ganyan. Cheer nyo pag nagmintis. Pero kung nasaktan, do not cheer, di ba?
Of course.
Reminds me of the Kevin Durant injury sa Toronto na cheer ng Toronto crowd.
67 to 64. 3-point lead for Minalin All-Stars with 1 minute and 20 seconds left for our ball game. 1 out of 2 for Kid Estalilia.
Still a lot of time. 80 seconds pa natitira sa ating laro.
2-point lead for Minalin. PJ Parungao asking for help.
Good defense by Estalilia.
Almost a nice bounce pass.
Good block. May pamulagan. Met him up top.
.3 seconds remaining. 67 to 65, 2-point lead. Timeout on the floor. 2-point lead for Minalin All-Stars.
You make, you break, you take the shot, you ready to rock. 19 under, coming very soon.
Going back here, we can see here the bench and the rest of the players of Minalin All-Stars together with head coach Bernard Valencia at ito ding Angeles City Red Warriors headed by coach John Ocampo, Paul Lagman, Sam De Jesus, and John De Guzman on your screen.
56.3 seconds na lang natitira for Minalin to again escape with another clutch victory. Lahat ng games nila dito sa playoffs natin, puro do or die. The first game with United Tomashan Ballers to force a rubber match. They won that rubber match. And ito, knockout tayo dito. Familiar story, di ba? It's a familiar story. Let's take a look at ang ating mga referees looking at that possession closely. Kung sino ba ang last touch doon?
56.3 seconds remaining. The possession goes.
Bola pa rin down Angeles City. Let's take a look at this beautiful block by Pamulagan.
Still a 2-point lead for Minalin All-Stars. Coach John Ocampo on your screen of Angeles City Red Warriors.
Oh, quick trigger. Muntik
Submit
na yun.
against two.
Nilusot sa legs. Good up fake.
There was a whistle.
They say it was deflected. Initial call, bola daw ng Minalin, but they're gonna review it to IRS.
41.8 seconds.
I did not see kung kanino tumama. Last isa lang sure ako. Magre-react ang crowd dito regardless of what the call is.
Let's take a look here. Heron Bonifacio.
See? Nag-react yung crowd. Told you. Pinakita sa LED nag-react yung crowd. At bola na Minalin. And look at Coach John. Oh,
41.8 seconds.
Coach John is livid on the sidelines. Better watch himself. He might get attacked. In the most crucial possession, they might get attacked.
Coach John Ocampo. Let's take a look back here. Heron Bonifacio against the three.
In mid-air, nawala kay Bonifacio right there. But tumama dun kay De Jesus.
Sam De Jesus.
A good timeout right here by Coach Bernard Valencia. Make sure you get a good look, a quality look at the basket right now. How big is Paula Quindanum fouling out of this ball game, di ba? Without Paula Quindanum, nawalan ng defender. Last line of defense, itong Angeles City,
Ang
nawalan din sila
laking bagay din
ng
kasi
offense.
talaga ni Paula Quindanum. Katapat niya talaga itong si Ibay eh.
That's how good itong sila Quindanum is. But 41.8 seconds, mahaba pa to. As we can see Governor Dennis Delta Pineda and Coach Pedic de Matulak on your screens.
I am not surprised kung meron talaga ditong players for Delta Cup na maglalaro for Pampanga Delta.
Oo. Well, Delfino.
Of course, the
Bugarin.
familiar faces for Pampanga Delta. Well,
Yes,
hindi
yes.
nakabigla-bigla.
Oo.
But then, you know,
And may nakikita din ako another player for Pampanga Delta. Not playing in the Delta Cup, but he will play sa Sinag Liga Asia. Charles Lumba is right there. Pride of Apalit. Aga niya po dumating dito. Mamaya palaro ng Apalit. Pero ito, 38 seconds na lang natitira.
8 seconds on the shot clock. Ibay!
Emergency pass, Barungaw! Bang!
The
Bang!
much needed 3-point shot for PJ Parungao. Almost no time for Minalin All-Stars on that play.
Big shot by Barungaw right there. Grabe. And look at the crowd here erupt.
Look at the crowd in front and at our back.
Grabe, what a shot by PJ Parungao. Shot clock winding down. Game on the line. Tournament lives on the line. PJ Parungao might have just booked their ticket to the semifinals round with this booming three-point shot right there.
Just 2.3 seconds remaining on their shot clock. PJ Parungao, no hesitation on that point.
Grabe, what a shot by PJ Parungao. But right here, Kid Destalilla to the free throw line. Misses the first one.
Angeles City Red Warriors finish the elimination round with at the top seed of the bracket A with 9 wins and only 1 loss.
And they're about to bow out in this ball game, in this tournament, diba, with 26.9. And again, 0 for 2 as De Jesus gets fouled. In penalty situation na tayo dito, this will be 2 free throws for Sam De Jesus.
So this is very quite important. Ito yung sinasabi na no twice to beat advantage, no top
Knockout
1 team.
lang, oo.
Because crossover eh. This team, hindi nila nakatapat ito on the elimination round.
NJ's hurt. NJ Sagsmith's hurt and he's being carried back to the bench. Adrian Layug comes in. Sagsmith namimilipit sa sakit doon sa bench.
Holding his left ankle.
And again, another missed free throw for Angeles City.
This could have been the chance, right? If Kid Estalilla was able to draw at most 1 point from that free throw line.
There you
One out
go
of
for
two now
Jesus,
for Sam
4-point
De Jesus.
lead.
But the ball possession goes to the side of Minalin. This could be their time.
Oh, Bonifacio nearly lost it.
There's
They
a
have to
put back
foul.
against Ibay.
A steal by Estalilla.
There was 12 seconds left on the on our game clock. 9 seconds.
And that'll do it. That'll do it. That will do it.
5.8 seconds remaining. But a 4-point lead for Minalin All-Stars at mag-free throw pa. So si PJ Parungao.
The Cinderella run continues para dito sa Minalin All-Stars.
Sideline inbound for Jason Ibay with 5.8 seconds remaining. What will they do here? Binigay niya dito kay Heron Bonifacio. And there you have it, foul against John Martinez.
That'll seal the deal now with these 2 free throws.
What a big loss for Angeles City Red Warriors. As I mentioned, finishing at the top seed of the bracket A.
A dejected Angeles City Red Warriors right here. But Minalin, again, backs against the wall. And they play it best, doing their best. Tito Rex Firewire impression dito sa Delta Cup. Twice to beat disadvantage. Knockout quarterfinals 2. They are 4.9 seconds away from qualifying to the semifinals round.
Full blast for Minalin All-Stars. Tignan mo, nakangiti na itong 5 players for Minalin inside the court.
And Angeles City will go back to that Paula Quindanum foul out.
4.9 seconds remaining. Heron Bonifacio.
That'll put them over the penalty na itong Angeles City. Free throws for Heron Bonifacio to seal the deal. That'll do it. That seals the deal now for
Dinagdagan
Minalin
pa ni
All-Stars.
Heron Bonifacio. Let's take a look at the celebration of the bench of Minalin All-Stars. They clutch every play entering our quarterfinals.
Grabe. What a run para dito sa Minalin All-Stars.
Now a 7-point lead. 6-point lead rather for Minalin All-Stars.
Look at that.
Being behind by 12 points, the biggest lead of the ball game. It's now down. No, it's actually not down. It's now up by 6, but now in favor of Minalin All-Stars.
Grabe, what a game from Minalin All-Stars. Down by 9 points at the half. Got a big third quarter, and in the fourth and final quarter, leaned onto their defense. We weren't even talking about Jason Ibay as much as we used to nung quarterfinals round 1. But it was everybody, a total team effort para dito sa panig na Minalin All-Stars. And they are 3.6 seconds away from the semifinals round.
Their teamwork has been their goal. As you can see, Kid Estalilia
Heartbroken itong si Heartbreak Kid.
with a little bit of emotion. Of course, he didn't expect that will happen.
And this is
There's a
knocks down
buzzer
the three.
beater for
They
Sam
say it's
De
good,
Jesus.
but Minalin All-Stars are in the semifinals round ng 2024 Delta Cup. What a moment. What a game. Grabe, what a victory for Minalin All-Stars again. The Cinderella run continues for this team. But of course, thank you so much to Angeles City for participating. The number 1 seeded team dito sa Bracket A bows out dito sa ating Elite 8. It's now Minalin All-Stars and Level Up Lubao with the first 2 seats sa ating semifinals round. Aantayin nila kung sino bang makakatapat nila sa susunod na dalawang laro natin dito. What a victory para dito sa Minalin All-Stars. They win this ball game by 3 points, 72-69. That is our final score. Minalin All-Stars knocks out the number 1 seed Angeles City Red Warriors to advance to the semifinals round dito sa 2024 Delta Cup. At ngayon, kasama ko na ang ating best player of the game. Walang iba kundi si Kenneth Pamulagan. 22 points, 4 rebounds, 4 steals. Kenneth, congratulations. Grabe, what a ball game para sa inyo. Number 1 seed team ang tinalo nyo. Ano ba yung mga ginawa nyo all throughout this week sa ensayo para mapaghandaan itong Angeles City Red Warriors?
Sinagandaan lang po namin yung gagawin nilang trap sa amin. Tsaka yung offense na gagawin sa amin. Yun lang po.
Well, Kenneth, nung quarterfinals round 1, twice to beat disadvantage kayo. Tinalo nyo yung United Tomasian Ballers. Ngayong kalaban yung number 1 seed team at pupunta na kayo sa semifinals. Anong nararamdaman mo ngayon na nakapasok na kayo sa lahat ng pinaghirapan nyo, nasa semifinals round na kayo?
Masaya po.
Kitang-kita naman natin, grabe yung mga sumusuporta sa inyo. Tuwan-tuwa lahat. Ngayon, Kenneth, bibigyan na kita ng chance na bigyan ng shoutout, pasasalamat at syempre yung mga gusto mong batiin. Ito na yung chance mo.
Unang-una, nagpapasalamat po ako kay God sa mayor namin na si Mayor Philip Nagin. Tsaka sa coaches ko, buong teammates ko, tsaka sa family ko. Yun lang po.
Congratulations, Kenneth. Good luck sa semifinals round once again. That is Kenneth Pamulagan, the best player of the game for Minalin All-Stars. 22 points, 4 rebounds, and 4 steals. They now qualify sa ating semifinals round dito. 2 seats have now been occupied. And syempre, may dalawang upuan pa sa semifinals round tayong inaantay. At may dalawang laro pa po tayo dito mga kabalin kasi susunod ang labanang I Love San Simon kontra Abe King Panyulog, Florida Blanca. Susunod na po yan, but that ends our second game for today. For Penelope Wilhelmina, MJ Raimundo, this is Enzo Galarosa, and on behalf of Direk Nomar Santiago, Direk Don Mike Tanan, Direk Billy De Leon, Direk Ramonito, Roa, and the rest of the hardworking men and women na nagtrabaho dito from the Brenzy Giao Convention Center. This has been your 2024 Delta Cup. See you soon mga kabalin. Peace!